आ गया ना आईआईएम में, अब दिमाग खाना बंद कर।
Hi, this is Paramjeet.
Hi, I'm Avinash.
Hi, this is Ishan.
I'm Andrew James.
Hi, I'm Akshay.
This is Ashish Srivastava.
I am Siddharth.
Srivastava. Hi, I'm Ismat. This is Kushal Raj.
आईआईएम लखनऊ का कैंपस देख के लगता है कि स्कूल में थोड़ी मेहनत कर लेते पढ़ाई में तो शायद आईआईएम लखनऊ में आ जाते, लेकिन फिर राइड कौन करता?
The last ride which I would like to term as of this trip was from Delhi to Chandigarh. Colonel Kaleem actually gave us a huge surprise when he came riding from Hyderabad on his 100cc bike to Agra just to say congratulate us on completing on the whole trip. We couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe it. Flying down is one thing, but he actually rode down thousands of kilometers in heat on his 100cc bike at such an age to Agra from Hyderabad. That is something. Again, very nice. We stopped at the Murthal Dhaba and we had breakfast over there, and then we proceeded towards Chandigarh.
Good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग, वेलकम टू GIR। आप सभी का स्वागत है गुलशन ढाबे पे। रवि दलाल आप सबका स्वागत करता है खुले दिल से।
गुलचंदे ढाबे पे पराठे खाए, फिर वहाँ से कुछ पानीपत के बाइकर्स हमारे साथ चंडीगढ़ तक गए। Chandigarh is indeed one of the wonderful places to be in. वापस चले चंडीगढ़ से तो थोड़ी गर्मी थी क्योंकि हमको निकलते हुए शाम हो गई थी, तकरीबन 4 बज गए थे।
Alright, this is the last stretch of GIR. We are going back from Chandigarh to Delhi. We didn't anticipate the rain, otherwise we would have wore the Wrangler waterproof jeans, the water repellent jeans, and it would have actually helped us a lot in this rain.
What a wonderful welcome by that Almighty by giving us rain for good 5 kilometers. Though it wasn't very heavy rain, but good enough to cool us down. Again, as I said, what a wonderful, wonderful welcome towards the end of the journey. See you in Delhi.
We have done this before, right? The Great India Road Trip, now the Grand India Road Trip.
And I remember, Shagato, the first time it happened in my house, where in 2006, some of our roads are really beautiful. Most of our roads aren't because of bad governance, but some roads are really beautiful. And if we get to see our great country with these beautiful roads, then I think it's a must-do, and that's exactly what these bikers have done. What they've done is they've actually gone out there, ridden their motorcycles and said, listen, we've done it, now you guys can do it out there.
First of all, thank you so much for coming today, John. Thanks, Augito.
Thank you.
And thanks to Castrol for making all this happen.
तो इस ग्रैंड इंडियन रोड ट्रिप का जो ऑब्जेक्टिव था वो तो हुआ ही। Along with that, we have actually brought so many things back. This trip also had to finish like all the other trips have.
Can these things actually be over for a biker?
My first India ride, 2006, the Great Indian Road Trip.
These trips, I feel, are subsets of a trip called life.
As long as there are roads and there are bikes and there are people who are willing to ride with you, the ride never ends.
My second Indian ride, Passion Hunt, 2009.
अब ये तो वक्त ही बताएगा कि आगे ऐसी और रोड ट्रिप्स होती हैं या मैं आईआईएम का स्टूडेंट बनता हूँ।
This is just one part of a long life of riding.
2012, my third India ride, the Grand Indian Road Trip. What's next?
I hope that one day, we can do a bigger trip than this, a better trip than this. So meanwhile, I'll have to think the name for the trip.